Okay, so this is the Tamiya 7.5 centimeter anti-tank gun Pak 40 L46. It is 1/35th scale, and it is one of their older kits, actually, from the 70s. In the kit, we get the actual Pak gun itself, along with 3 ready-to-assemble precision... three realistic figures. That was my bad. With the instruction manual, which we have here. We have a whole bunch of information for the history of the Pak gun, which is common with a lot of model kits, I think. Some paint schemes, and then you actually have the fun part, which is the actual assembly of the kit. You've got two halves for the main barrel of the gun, along with the breech, which can also move, the actual muzzle brake, saddle, the shield, installment of the shield, construction of the trail base, and the actual gun body. What's interesting about this kit is that on here on the box, it says you can attach it to another 1/35th scale kit. The STKFZ 25. It is a 1/35th scale as well, with 5 figures, and that's really all I know about it. On top of the box, we have just different markings for different soldiers or ranks, and then here, for standard for Tamiya, is just to advertise their other kits that they have. You've got 3.7 centimeter field gun, British, what is it, 6-pounder anti-tank gun, and a 8.8 centimeter flat gun. Now, the figures, and here I've already painted them. Come on, there you are. You have the actual, let's see if I can get them in here. You have the actual gunner, or the person who looks at the sights of the gun. What's the focus? Oh, and then you've got the commander. Put some light on him. And then you've got the loader here, and I already put a shell, or him holding a shell. These are all surprisingly realistic for the era. And then actually, before we get to that, the kit comes with, usually, these are actually spare shells. Well, not these are spare shells, but these are actually empty ones that I've already fired off. You can tell, there's a little hole in the front there. And got another one there. It comes with about 4 of those. And then here, you've got an actual shell that has not been fired. And then you've actually got the juicy stuff of the kit, which is the Pak gun. I've already painted it, of course, but the turret can rotate. These can, I guess the legs of the gun can move as well, for if you're ready to fire or if you're packing it up. The gun breech, and yeah, overall it's a very accurate and great kit. I found it on Amazon for about $11.56, very cheap. It's a great kit. And I almost forgot to show you the little box that has the ammunition in it. But yeah, so that's about it. Yeah, overall, a really good kit. I would recommend it for all levels, really. Surprisingly simple, fun to paint, and that's all, really.